One, I am a Jamaican. I see what the storm has done, and I'm always having a passion inside of me to always give back in whatever way I can.
I've never ever, we have made history.
That one with bless up, yeah. Anna.
I go to Jamaica all the time, and then I know people need, because it's a very difficult moment for them.
Because I love my Jamaican, every single one, especially the good one.
No, the church is going to one barrel. You can't lose.
Oh, it's been great. We've been working hard. We've packed multiple barrels.
Appreciate you, Danny. Appreciate you, man.
Always,
Take care.
as always.
It's important to give back because to whom much is given, much is expected.
And we have to open our doors and say, well, whatever it is, we'll be able to help,
There's a need, and I want to help.
And Mother Jones have taught me, Mikey, if you have $1, 50 cents is somebody else. Right. Don't take the dollar on your own, it's not yours.
A box of cornflakes, 2 thing of bully beef, bring it on.
I'm a people's person and I like to help, and it's my way, like I tell a lot of people, of giving back.
We have 500 of these compact school bags. Very durable, water resistant.
JAHJAH Foundation for Jamaica.
To know that we were able to get this much support in with such short notice, it really feels good.
It is emotional.
And I'm a kind-hearted person, and I don't like to see people in need.
So we have food and health and educational stuff. Cover the 3 areas.
So we can't just say, boy, like Kingston, so everybody jump up and hooray, hooray, like Kingston and ray. But one island, one Jamaica, we say, right?
Hurricane Beryl Disaster Relief. Thank you to all our supporters.
JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans Abroad and Friends of Jamaica, helping Jamaicans at home. One love.